traders, this video is going to be special. I took a bunch of trades on Monday. I opened a basket of trades based on our new or the latest development of this indicator. Look at these signals here and over here. There's two indicators. I opened a basket of trades and I have to say the result was remarkable. This has just been released to our members as of yesterday. You guys have access to this now. This one here is pending release. But I mean, look at these signals. Aussie yen, Aussie Swiss, bearish, okay? Let's have a look. Aussie yen, Aussie Swiss, bearish signal. Look at that. Back there. Look at that. Aussie yen, Aussie Swiss was another one. Yeah. This is a game changer, guys. You know, like I started trading in 2002 and I went full time in 2016. I've spent hours upon hours upon hours, and just repeat that over and over again, just totally dedicated my time to developing systems and indicators and strategies and whatnot, and it's come to this. I am really happy with these indicators. Okay, let me show you. I took these trades on Monday. We'll just go through them. And look, I had a great result. It was just such a no-brainer. New Zealand dollar was the start. We had a bearish signal from the indicator on the right-hand side, abbreviated it FPS, Forex pair strength. And this one is abbreviated. It's double momentum, so DM. This one on the right, FPS. All right, so that was a bearish FPS opportunity. Stop losses are a bit wide. I'm still old school stop losses, intraday trading, but that's changing slowly. So let's just go through and have a look at the results. This one here I closed. There wasn't a signal here. The signal actually kicked off about here. I took this one based on this pullback and a different signal. But anyway, that one closed at about 1R today. I opened the basket of trades and closed all of them. These trades that I took went into Telegram. That was quite nice. Okay, opened here, closed up here today. These went into the Telegram signal. So there's two types of trade signals that you receive with me. One is the Telegram signals, and the other one is the Discord signals, and I'll show you that. Yeah, it was good to close that there. Basket of trades opened, and then everything was just closed today. And you can see we actually had a bearish FPS signal here. And what I got from that was, don't just take every signal. Look, see over here, if this signal here is red or green, okay, here. If the signal is green, and we've got buy signals here, right? If the signal is green on here, you only take a green signal here. Say green to green. You don't go against the trend. Don't do that. And that way, I mean, that's definitely giving you momentum bullish here, but bearish. But look at the trend. Okay, so you only want these green signals. Keeps you out of trouble. Have a look at the table on the right. Okay, stick with the colors, guys. If it's a green signal here, where my mouse is, okay, and the higher time frames are green, and the trend is obviously heading north, go with it. That's simple as that. What else? I had a CAD yen. There's such a nice outcome. Yeah, I mean, that actually traded right up to this high, went beyond my thing, and then came back down. I ended up closing it on this pullback here, but the bullish signal was given on both of these. I mean, you know, which one of these do you not want? Took these on Monday, and I just couldn't be happier with the results. There was a bullish on both of the indicators. It gave me two signals in here. Just unbelievable. Aussie yen, I took that trade up, but wasn't a signal. There wasn't a signal. I just went off a. I actually took a trade back in here. Yeah, it was bullish based on this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And that was one that I lost, but yeah, there was that. But the signal that fired was here, bearish. I would say, as long as the 4-hour is bearish, 4 than 2-hour, not so much the 1 and the weekly, but yeah, if the 4-hour, because we're trading on a 30-minute chart, I would prefer to see the daily and the 4-hour bearish. But anyway, that was the signal, and then the Aussie CAD was quite nice. That one, that was a signal from this indicator here, on the right there. And I took that trade. Look at that. Really nice. So here's the thing. While this is still fairly new, head over to the website, have a look at the trade copy link on the menu. you can connect to my account, automatically copy my trades over to your account for only $39.95 a month. Here's a link to a spreadsheet showing history. This is a passive income. There's no trade copy service going for $39.95 a month anywhere in the world, I can guarantee you that. But here's the thing, it's a win-win situation, and here's why. The $39.95 per month will give you full VIP membership as well as an automatic trade copy. My trades are automatically traded over to your account. I set that up on my end. You don't have to do anything other than send me your MT4 or MT5 credentials and I'll connect up your account to mine. Okay, a flat $39.95 a month, no other fees. There is one condition, and this is where it's a win-win, and this is why I can offer it for $39.95 a month. Okay, win-win for both of us. Just open a Focus Markets, the broker here, account with my partner link. Then I benefit from commission that I earn from Focus Markets. It doesn't cost you anything, and you get the discount for the trade copy. Yeah, I mean, we both come out ahead. My trade copy service will save you approximately $70 per month. If you were to copy my signals from Telegram using TS Copier, you'd be paying an extra $70 a month. So jump on board with us, guys. Gain full VIP membership, access to everything here, and benefit from the signals that you receive in Discord. I'll show you those in a minute, as well as automatically copying my trades. As you see this working for you, you could, increase the balance. So to get started, click on this link down in here. This is to my business management program, WAP, and it'll give you the option to choose Stripe or PayPal. Two reputable payment gateways, secure payment protocols, and then once you join, you'll go back into WAP where you can access all of our VIP resources. I'll show you some information about that in a sec. And then all you need to do is just click on the Focus Markets link here, my partner link, and use this broker and send me your MT4 or MT5 credentials and I'll connect up your account. Now, if you haven't already gained access to our VIP, if you come back over here, this is the 14-day trial. This is not the trade copy, but these two videos will give you everything you need to know about how to trade our Discord signals here manually, and it'll give you an introduction to VIP. Right? So the manual signals, these ones down in here, you can trade the same account if you like. So take these opportunity here to manually trade, learn to trade. Okay, trade these signals. This is as easy as, let me show you this. The instruction, set a bullish momentum sync alert for the pullback and just take the next signal. That's all you got to do. Wait for the next signal. Right. For example, when my mouse is, if that was the instruction, then you would just take that next signal. I do daily mentorship videos, so if you choose to get involved with these signals as well as the trade copy, make sure you watch these daily mentorship videos. This is a full tutorial on our trading system, and we go into how to use this indicator here, all of our other indicators, and make a difference, guys. So look, with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Look forward to seeing you in there. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.